What do those fingers do?
Crush up chocolate.
Oh, shit.
I'm about to play Smash. Trying to get some cash. I'm gonna get a rash. Hey, it's RashBalash.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to competitions with Bedinn and RashBalash, where Bedinn's gonna win.
That's wrong.
Today, what are we doing?
So, you know, everyone enjoys a good everyone enjoys
Hot chocolate.
Yeah. So, you know, we're making some
Hot cocoa bombs. But it's gonna be a competition that I'm gonna win, but you, all the viewers, are gonna vote whose hot cocoa bomb is better. So you're all gonna vote for me because mine's gonna be better.
And that remains to be seen. I am the artiste after all.
I don't know about that, but today we have our materials here. So we have some chocolate. Ignore that it's open. I ate some, but that's okay. This is the brand Choker, something like that, from Aldi's. Very good. And if we run out, we have some other same brand milk chocolate as well.
It's not the same brand. Oh, it is the same brand.
Yeah.
That straight up looks like Hershey's.
Different style. Haven't tried this before, but I'm sure it'll be good. We have some marshmallows, of course.
Oh yeah. We also got some Deco chips, which we're gonna use to decorate, and also some white chocolate
That we're gonna melt and use to decorate as well. And then obviously we'll have some hot cocoa and sugar bombs too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
So the first step is gonna be that we're gonna melt some chocolate and we're gonna do an initial coat of chocolate into the bomb. So we'll show you that step.
Easy cloud.
Yes.
It literally looks so good.
You?
No, the chocolate.
Oh, I thought you said I would.
I mean, I do, but like the chocolate looks.
Okay, so our chocolate. 15 was for 3. That means 10 for 2, right?
Okay, so just leave 2 left.
8. 9, 10. If it's not enough, we can get.
That's 8. Oh my god. And you're telling me that you're gonna win?
Ignore that. I'm heating it up for 30 seconds to start, and then we're gonna take it out and see how much it's melted, stir it a little bit, and put it back. Technically, you're supposed to use a thermometer, but it's okay.
That's okay.
My microwave is also like really weak, so it probably won't even make a dent in melting the chocolate, but that's okay. Okay guys, so we melted our chocolate, and now we have to paint the hot cocoa bomb. So we have one paintbrush. Do you want to go first?
Sure.
Okay. So you just have to do 2 like that.
Just 2?
Yeah, so first like take the spoon. I don't know how much to put in, but use the spoon to like take a little bit and put it in, and then you can paint the sides.
I'm good.
Okay. You don't want to listen, it's your loss.
It is a competition. You shouldn't be trying to help me.
You know, I just like care about my fans, so I want to help them.
I'm not your fan.
Yeah, you are. And the first layer shouldn't be too thick. Pretty thin, so that we can put it in the fridge for a couple minutes, and then we can paint a second layer. See guys, he's spilling it everywhere because he didn't listen to me. That's what I expected.
Look how poopy yours look.
Because I haven't used the paintbrush yet.
Oh.
See all our sprinkles before we even get the chance to put it down. So let's take this over to the fridge. My fridge is kind of full. We'll find some space here if you don't mind opening it up.
The fridge or the freezer?
The fridge.
Oh my. Alrighty.
Okay friends, so we're back. And we kept it in the fridge for a little while, and now we're gonna do our second coat.
Oh wow, look at you using the same brushing technique that I was
Okay,
using.
because you can't put too much on the second coat, otherwise it'll be very, very thick.
Oh.
Have you guys tried making hot cocoa bombs? Comment down below and let us know. Why are you laughing?
Yo guys, we're doing a giveaway of this hot cocoa bomb. We'll mail it to you. It'll be a hot puddle mess when it gets to you. But you can know that it's the thought that counts.
It really is. Best friend Nas, I'm sending you one if you're watching. Otherwise known as Professor Parkour 1.
Whoa.
This is my best friend. Okay, I'm just perfecting it. Almost done.
Perfecting?
These are gonna be
Let me show you guys what this looks like.
These are gonna be amazing when they come out. Just
Relax. lucky that was the inside.
Stop! Take that out! Don't expose me. Okay, we'll see how well yours look in a
Mine
second.
look beautiful.
I don't know about that. We will see. Guys, we just took it out of the fridge for the last time. It looked pretty good, at least.
They actually. Okay, wait. Those are mine.
Dang it!
You literally
No.
tried to sabotage me.
No.
Wow.
Oh god.
Unbelievable.
How did yours turn out so,
So did you
good?
just give me a compliment then?
Yeah, they're pretty good, not gonna lie.
Whoa. Mine are kind of perfect though.
Can you put this plate in the microwave for like a minute?
Yeah.
Alright guys, check this thing out.
You don't have to brag, okay?
Yes I do. This is a competition.
Okay, this one turned out really good.
Sure. I guess.
A little bit of
Shout out to our sponsor, Swiss Miss. We're gonna what?
put a little bit of hot chocolate in half of it. So if you want to spoon a little bit, I'm gonna take this part. I'm gonna rub it on this a little bit. Ooh. See how it just melted the chocolate like that? That's what we want. That's what we're going for. Want to melt the sides. Ooh.
Check that
So
out.
that we can put it together and they'll stick.
Did you just crack it?
Maybe a little bit.
Oh. Good.
Alright guys, let me show you the literal hacks of how to do this. Alright, I'm about to pop this thing back in. I'm putting this half in. Oh no. Okay. So now I have my half in. Let me put in my Swiss Miss. Let me fix up some of my chocolate as well. My marshmallows. Easy clap. Now it's perfectly freaking circle. Yeah, I guess you're jealous. Oh yeah, you're jealous. Oh no, I can get that. Oh no, it's not working. No!
Okay, next thing we have to do is melt the white chocolate melt. How's it going?
It's fine, okay?
It's fine?
Yes, it's fine.
Is it still fine?
It's fine. I don't know why you're asking so much. God. Like, why are you so obsessed with me? What happened?
No, it's just spilling.
Yes!
No.
Oh my god.
What?
It's just a lot harder than I thought it'd be. Oh my god, it's already melting through!
Put some on top here.
Yeah, just it's all falling through. What are you doing?
Oh my god, stop it. Or you can just put it in your mug already. You just put it in there.
No. I'm gonna fix this. Why did mine melt right through?
Okay, viewers, we're going to show you the final products.
Oh god.
Here they are. This is mine. It's pretty nice, right?
Do you want to say some stuff about your design?
Yeah, so what I wanted to do was I took the white chocolate melt and I kind of made like a little drizzle over the side of it, all over the top, and then I sprinkled some blue white chocolate sprinkles on top as well to give it this nice like vertical line design. And I'm gonna put it in my cup and get ready to put the milk in.
Alright, well, let me tell you guys a little bit about mine. Alright, here we have the devil's anus. Actually, if you look, you can kind of see a heart though, because the devil is in love.
But this one, look at how pretty that is. I think I win.
No, mine is very artistic. Look at that. You have the snow peaks on the outside, the little sprinkles, and you have the perfect place to start pouring your milk, because why pour it on top and have it all just spill over when you can pour it in and have it, like, you know, build up inside of this and then break out. Like, just watch, guys. You're gonna love it.
We're gonna film it breaking. So I'm gonna pour some milk. Can you guys see it?
Yep.
Oh my god, I'm making a mess. And there we go. The bomb has broken. Your turn.
Overall, are you happy about that bomb's performance?
I'm very impressed. I think that we had a couple struggles along the way. It was kind of breaking at some points, but I had to glue it shut. But at the end of the day, it really came through for me. So I'm very, very proud of it, and I'm excited to get it. Your turn.
Okay.
Do you want me to pour?
Oh yeah, why don't you pour? Right into the devil's anus.
And there we go.
Dang, mine was kind of satisfying. I don't know, but I guess the viewers will have to decide.
Yes. So comment down below who you think won this competition. Me, the best YouTube GF that there is in the world, and the best hot cocoa bomb maker, or
It's definitely me.
okay guys, so we have our hot cocoa bombs, hot chocolate here, and we're gonna do a taste test. It's really hot, so be careful. Not bad.
Oh wow, that's actually pretty good.
Yeah. Oh, and I forgot to add, it's almond milk hot chocolate bombs, so
Kind of makes it better.
yeah.
I kind of like the almond taste. I ain't no soy boy though. Soy boy.
What's wrong with soy?
Look it up. That's all I'm saying.
Definitely recommend you do this with your YouTube GF or GF. It's a fun thing.
Whatever you want.
And I'm gonna win.
No. So be sure to vote below
Vote
who
for
you
me.
think won this challenge. Sam or Bedinn or famous YouTuber RashBalash, aka coolest guy in the world, who's giving away a PS5.
Only one of you is gonna win that. I will provide the rest of you with entertainment.
Are you saying I'm not entertaining?
No, not really. His videos, come on, you guys have to admit, they're kind of boring. Like, all he does is like show video games. Like, oh, video games, so fun.
Video games are awesome.
Do you really think people want to sit there and watch you lose because you're so bad at the video games? They might as well watch a John. Like, John's at least better than you.
Alright, well, vote below. And I'll see you guys.
Hi guys, have a good night. This is the best day of my life. I met RashBalash, the really famous YouTuber.